Hello, educators and parents alike. I'm so honored here at Smart Social to be working with incredible school districts and parents and principals. Today, we have one of our brand new partners. You know, when you work with us, we call you a partner because we are here to protect students, to keep them safe online, but someday they're going to shine online using our tips. We don't avoid the internet. Instead, we lean into it and say, how do we use it for good? I have Karen Rosa here today. Karen is a principal at one of our partner school districts. Karen, thank you so much for spending time with us. Now, we just walked you through, first of all, you had lots of conversations with us, which is amazing. Thank you. We showed you the platform. You signed up, and we're going to protect you for a year. We just walked you through our marketing kit that we wrote for you. A lot of people are like, I'm a principal like you. I'm exhausted. I don't have time for more stuff. We just walked you through our marketing kit that's done for you. What are your thoughts? Tell people what you think.
First off, the marketing kit is perfect for somebody like me, a brand new principal. I have a lot to learn, and I don't have a whole lot of time to learn everything that I need to know. So the marketing kit is perfect. Everything is embedded in it. I just have to click on a link. When I go to my parent home and school association meetings, everything is ready to go. Take my laptop in, hook it up to my projector, get to your site, click on links, and there's videos to show the parents, and it will give them more information about your program, more than I could possibly give them. So it was simple, easy, and I'm so excited to use it.
We're so excited to work with you. So part of what you get in our marketing kit is a link that helps you share it everywhere to get people into the platform so that they really get a free ticket to our Netflix that we've created that will protect them all year long. When they get in and basically activate their Netflix account, Netflix, please don't sue me for using that phrase, but when they use their Netflix account that is all about safety, then they get in our newsletter. They get all of our stuff for free all year long. But in addition, we gave Karen, and everybody gets this going forward, we gave her a special couple videos that she could show at a kickoff night. Hey, here's the platform that we're going to get. It's Josh teaching it. And here's Josh's content team, the army of amazing parents protecting other parents, our research team teaching, here's what we're covering this month. And that video updates all the time. So you got a lot to work with, but because you're in our program already, you're going to get emails nurtured to you twice a month, a partner email, and you can just forward that on. So what would you tell other principals and districts who are like, you know, I don't know, is this process difficult? What are your thoughts, Karen?
The process could not be easier. It's a very simple process, and I feel like this is a resource that everybody in all schools need this resource in the climate that we live in right now. So it's not something you want to pass by. Take a look at it. Super easy, and I can't recommend it more. It's great.
Thank you, Karen.
And you are so great to work with, Josh. Yay.
I'm so humbled right now. You're making me blush. To the rest of the partners out there, you know, we want to protect you. So we have free resources. If you can't afford us, that's fine. Go use our free resources. It's very selfish. When we save lives, I sleep better, and I want to sleep better. So please go use my life's mission to do that. We have a whole team of people all over the country at Smart Social who are dedicated to making the shortest and sweetest safety resources, because every mom and dad in the country is so busy, and principals are even busier. We want to make sure you get that stuff in 3 minutes or less. So share our stuff, stay close to us, ask us questions if you have questions, set up a conversation with us. We're honored to be here. And Karen, thank you so much. We're so excited to work with you this year.
No, thank you.
To all the rest of you, remember to keep it light, bright, and polite as the title of my book, because your kids are watching you on social media. We'll see all of you very soon. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.